Lord, church. Today I'll be reading Psalm 125, verse 1 to 5, a song of patience. Those who trust in the Lord are like Mount Zion, which cannot be shaken but endures forever. As the mountains surrounded Jerusalem, so the Lord surrounds his people, both now and forevermore. The scepter of the wicked will not remain over the land also to the righteousness, for then the righteousness might use their hands to do evil. Lord, do good to those who are good, to those who are upright in heart, but those who turn in crooked ways, the Lord will banish with the evildoers. Peace be on Israel. Amen.